Welcome back to another TIMco How To Tuesday. Today we're introducing a brand new product into the TIMco anchor range, the Multi-Fix Stella fixing. It's a rapid, heavy-duty fixing, predominantly for applications into plasterboard, but is also very effective when fixing to block, concrete and brick. The product itself is a strengthened nylon plug with a captivated steel hex nut at the bottom. Due to the nut being steel, the Stella fixing performs exceptionally well compared to similar fixings which have a nylon nut. Through the centre is an M5 panhead metric screw with a T25 TIMdrive recess, so it can be installed using a power drill or handheld screwdriver with ease. As the product is tightened, the nylon body clamps to the back of the plasterboard in a spiral pattern. This helps the fixing spread the weight of the application, so it can hold up to 33 kilograms in 12.5mm plasterboard, and when using the Stella fixing into block, brick or concrete, the nylon grips to the inside of the hole, giving a holding capacity of up to 33 kilograms into hollow block and 78 kilograms in C25 concrete. It comes in two lengths to suit different plasterboard thicknesses and block types. The red plugs are 49mm long and the black plugs are 59mm long. Now I'm going to show you how quick and easy the Stella fixing is to use. Firstly, drill a 10mm hole. When fixing into something other than plasterboard, drill the hole to the minimum length of the screw. For example, this M5x55 fixing requires a minimum of a 55mm hole. Once the hole is drilled, place the plug into the hole. Then insert the screw through your fixture and into the hex nut at the bottom of the plug. If fixing into double plasterboard, a black Stella fixing should be used to guarantee a strong hold. Now, using a screwdriver, tighten the fixing until secure. Here you can see the fixing clamping to the back of the plasterboard. Another advantage of the Stella fixing is that it doesn't damage the paper during installation, so the strength of the plasterboard isn't compromised. Be careful not to over-tighten the fixing though, especially when using a power tool into blocks with a low compressive strength. So now you know everything you need to know about our new Multi-Fix Stella fixing. With it, you'll be able to safely support something like a television, kitchen cabinet, or even a combi boiler. The Multi-Fix Stella fixing is a product that we at TIMco are very proud of. It's perfect for use in the home and on site. Because it can be used with multiple materials, there's no need for carrying anything else for fixing into plasterboard cavity walls. They're available in boxes of 25 with an installation guide on the back. For further information, click on the link below for the technical data sheet. As always, thank you for watching. See you next week for another TIMco How To Tuesday.